Hello friends, today's trick is Japanese multiplication trick. In this we draw lines like this and we will be able to solve multiplications. Let's say first question is 21 by 12. So first of all we will see 21, first digit is 2, so we will draw two lines. And second digit is 1 in 21, so you will leave some space and you will draw one line like this. See carefully how I am going to draw the lines, so you will be able to draw easily. So next is 1. You will draw one line like this, and after that we have to draw two lines because second digit of 12 is 2. Like this you will draw two lines. And after that we will go from right to left and we will see the intersection points. From the right you will see there are two intersection points, so you will write 2. Then we will see intersection points in the middle. There are 5 intersection points in the middle, you will write 5. And at the left there are 2 intersection points, so you will write 2. And it is our final answer, 252. Let's do one more question, 13 by 32. First is 13, you will see first 1 is first digit, so you will draw one line. Third is second digit, 3 second digit, so you will draw 3 lines after leaving some space. Now you will draw 3 lines because 3 is the first digit in 32. Draw 3 lines like this, and after leaving some space you will draw 2 lines like this, how I am drawing. See carefully. And after that, going from right to left, we will see the intersection points like that we did before. But here you will get the carry, and I will tell you how to solve this. Here you will see at the right side there are 6 intersection points, so you will write 6. Now we will count the intersection point in the middle. Here in the middle total intersection points are 11. So here you will not write 11, you will write only 1, and 1 will go carry over. And at the left hand side there are 3 intersection points, so you will add that 1 to the 3. 3 plus 1 will be 4 and you will write 4 here. So 416 is answer. Try to solve this and comment your